Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to buy travel insurance online using the Blue Cross Canada website. Travel insurance is crucial, especially when traveling internationally, so let's make sure you're well protected. First, we'll visit the Blue Cross Canada website, where you'll find various options for health, dental, and travel insurance. Today, we're focusing specifically on travel insurance. Once you land on the homepage, you'll notice an easy-to-navigate layout with clear tabs. You want to go to the section labeled Travel Insurance. Clicking on this tab will take you to a page with multiple options based on the type of trip you're planning. Whether it's a short vacation or an extended journey, Blue Cross offers coverage plans tailored to suit your needs. We'll walk through the process of selecting your coverage dates, destination, and any special features that may apply to your trip, such as extra medical coverage or cancellation protection. The next step is entering your personal information, including age, travel details, and any pre-existing health conditions. Once all the details are filled out, you'll be shown different coverage options and pricing. Take your time here. Compare plans to see what fits your budget and needs. Blue Cross provides a helpful comparison tool that makes this step easier. Now, if you're looking for an alternative or simply want to compare, check out this excellent and reliable service for travel insurance, Ecta Traveling, which has been highly recommended for its affordable rates and comprehensive coverage. You can access it via the link in the description, https://ektatraveling.tp.st/9ncnwbdz. As we move through the site, you'll also see customer reviews, which can help you decide if Blue Cross Canada is right for you. The pros of using Blue Cross include their user-friendly interface and the wide range of options available. However, on the downside, some users have noted that the cost can be slightly higher than other providers. Finally, once you've chosen a plan, it's time to make the payment. You can pay directly on the site using your credit card. After payment, your travel insurance policy will be emailed to you immediately, and you're all set for your trip. Remember, having travel insurance ensures peace of mind. So don't skip this step before your journey. Be sure to follow the link in the description to explore more travel insurance options and find the best deal for your trip. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and share this with fellow travelers.